A very good morning to all students. In this video, we have studied about the standard 12th chemistry, that is 12th chapter, which is aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. In this second part, we have studied about the nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Before this, in the previous video, we have studied about the introduction of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, means what is the functional group which is present in both three, which is the carbonyl group, and how these are classified into the aliphatic and aromatic compounds. Now, in the nomenclature of aldehyde and carboxylic acid, it is found that the names of aldehyde and carboxylic acid are related to each other. As we see in the general formula of aldehyde and ketones, both contains the same carbonyl group, that is C double bond O, which is common in both. But in case of aldehyde, it contains the single H, and in case of the carboxylic acid, it contains the OH. That means only difference is that there is contained the one extra OH, that is hydroxyl group, and it contains a single H. So the names of both, they are related to each other. Now there are the two systems of naming the aldehyde and aldehydes and carboxylic acid, which is nothing but the trivial and IUPAC. Trivial means the common name system. Now the trivial names of the aldehydes and carboxylic acid, the first rule is that the common names of, we know, the common names of aldehydes are obtained from the common names of acid which they produce on oxidation. As we already seen in the general formula of aldehyde and carboxylic acid, there is the only presence of the extra oxygen in case of the carboxylic acid. Means the carboxylic acid, it can be formed by the oxidation of the aldehyde. So the ending IC of the carboxylic acid is replaced by the ending aldehyde. That means, for example, if any compound which contains the 3 carbon atom, then it is named as the, when it contains the functional group carboxylic acid, then it is named as the propionic acid. But when it contains the CHO, that is aldehydic group, then it can be named as the propylaldehyde. That means IC of the carboxylic acid, IC acid, is replaced by simple aldehyde. Then other same things are same. But in case of the substituted aliphatic carboxylic acid and aldehydes, the position of the substituent is indicated by labeling the carbon serially alpha, beta, gamma and so on. That means when the carbon atom which is adjacent to the carbonyl carbon is labeled as the alpha, next one is beta and so on. In short, when carbonyl carbon is attached to another carbon atom, then first carbon atom adjacent is the alpha carbon atom, after that it is beta, then gamma and so on. Now we have to see this common name of aldehydes by using some example, that is the formula of one compound is HCHO. Here all the compounds, it contains the common group, that is CHO. This is CHO group is known as the aldehydic group as it contains a single carbon atom. The name is formaldehyde. In case of second example, it contains the 2 carbon atom, so the name is the acetaldehyde. In case of the third carbon atom, it contains the 3 carbon atom, so the name is the propanaldehyde. In case of fourth example, it contains the 1, 2, 3, 4 as it contains the CHO group, that means it is the aldehyde, but 4 carbon atoms, so name is the enaldehyde. Now in case of the fifth compound, as there is the 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom, but this carbon, it is the iso position, so known as the isobutylaldehyde. But as we seen that when the CHO, that is aldehydic group, it contains the adjacent carbon, then it is labeled as the alpha, next is the beta. So at this alpha carbon atom, it contains the CH3 group, so name is alpha methyl propanaldehyde. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it has named as the general name, that is valaldehyde, then crotonaldehyde. Now in this case, this is the CHO, that is aldehydic group, and this is the adjacent carbon atom, the first carbon atom, so it is the alpha, next carbon atom it is the beta. Now in this alpha carbon atom it contains the 2-methyl group, that is CH3CH3. So it is named as alpha alpha dimethyl propanaldehyde, means 3 carbon atom. This is the straight chain of the 3 carbon atom. So name is the propanaldehyde, but the first adjacent carbon atom means alpha carbon atom, it contains the 2-methyl group. So the name is alpha alpha dimethyl propanaldehyde. In case of the next example, the CHO, that is aldehyde group, the first carbon it is the alpha, next is the beta and then gamma. In beta carbon it contains the bromine group. So the name is beta bromo butyraldehyde. 1 2 3 4 4 carbon atom. So butyraldehyde, and as on the beta position there is presence of the bromium, so the name is beta bromo butyraldehyde. Now there are the common names of aromatic aldehydes, that is when in the benzene ring there is presence of the CHO, that is aldehydic group. So the name is benzaldehyde. Then when it contains the 2-CHO group, then it is known as the phthalaldehyde, then paratoluidine, then salicylaldehyde, which contains the CHO and OH group. Now same compound it is found in the salicylic acid as well. Instead of CHO it contains the COH, that is carboxylic acid, then name is the salicylic acid, then vanillic acid and cinamide. Now next is the IUPAC names of the aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Now according to this IUPAC system, the name of the aliphatic aldehyde is derived from the name of the corresponding alkane by replacing the E of the alkane with the Al. That means aldehyde is named as the alkanal. In short, जे काही अल्केन असेल त्याला आपण ज्यावेळी अल्डिहाइड करत असतो त्यावेळी त्याचे नाव देत असतो आपण अल्कॅनल. The IUPAC name of the aliphatic carboxylic acid is derived from the names of corresponding alkane by replacing the ending E of the alkane with the oic acid. Means alkane is named as the alkanoic acid in case of the carboxylic acid, but in case of the aldehyde it can be named as the alkanal. Now it can be clear from using this following example. Now here it contains the single carbon atom 1 and CHO as the aldehyde group, as it is the hydrocarbon's name is the methane, so it is named as the methanol. 2 carbon atom, that is ethane, ethanol. 3 carbon atoms propane, so name is the propanol. 4 carbon atom, that is butane, so name is the butanol. Here at first carbon, this is the position, that is there are the total 3 carbon atoms, so name is the propanol. But in case of the second carbon atom it contains the methyl group, so name is the 2-methyl propanol. Then 1 2 3 4 5 total 5 carbon atoms, so name is the pentanol. Here it contains the double bonded compound which is at the second carbon atom, so name is the butane 2-enol. Then next is there is the straight chain of 3 carbon atom, that is propanol, but at the second position it contains the 2-methyl group, so the name is the 2,2-dimethyl propanol. Next is as it contains the 1 2 3 4 5 6 total 6 carbon atom, means hexanal, but it contains the 1 2 3. At third position it contains the methyl group, at fourth position it contains the bromine is attached, but according to the alphabetical order the first is preference is bromine, as it can be later B comes first and then later methyl, that is M contains it can be appear last, so name is the 4-bromo 3-methyl hexanal. Now there are some other rules which is also we have to be studied in case of the IUPAC name of the aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Now what are these? The suffix dial, dial means 2, is added in the names of the alkane when the compound contains the 2 aldehydic groups. In short, Al means the aldehyde and di means 2, means any compounds which contains the 2 aldehydic group, in that case we have to use the suffix dial. The ending E from the name of alkane is as it is written. But in case of dicarboxylic acid, that is it contains the 2 carboxylic groups, so we have to use the name dioic acid is added in the name of the parent alkene. When the aldehyde group is directly attached to the cyclic ring, then we have to use the suffix that is carbaldehyde, and it is added after the full name of the cycloalkene or the benzene. The numbering of the ring carbon atom, it starts from the carbon atom to which the aldehyde group is attached. Now there are some different rules for the substituted aromatic aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Now what are these rules we have to study? When two or more different functional groups are attached to a ring, then the higher priority group is given the lower number, and when CHO, that is aldehyde group, appears at the substituent, then prefix formyl is used in the IUPAC name. Now there are some example of this. Now here it contains the CHO group, means aldehyde group, and this aldehyde group is directly attached to the benzene ring, so the name is benzaldehyde. But there are found the various different groups, that is methyl group, then hydroxyl group. So at first, second, third position methyl group is present. At fourth carbon atom hydroxyl group is present. So we have named as the 4-hydroxy 3-methyl benzaldehyde. Now next is the COOH, that means it contains the acidic group. So the name is the benzoic acid. It is directly attached to the benzene. So name is the benzoic acid. Now this is the first carbon atom. Second, at third position hydroxy group is present, and at fourth carbon atom methyl group is present. So name is the 3-hydroxy 4-methyl benzoic acid. Now here it contains the CHO-COOH, means both aldehyde group is there and acidic group is there, but preference is given to the COOH, that is it acid. So benzoic acid, and this is the first carbon atom, this is the second carbon atom, so 2-formyl benzoic acid. Now there are some examples for the carboxylic acid. As we seen in case of the aldehydic compounds, same formula is applied in case of the carboxylic acid. So the common name, that is trivial names and IUPAC names of the carboxylic acid, which are as follows. First, which is nothing but the contains the COOH, as all the compounds contains the same functional group, which is the COOH, as it contains the single carbon. The name is, the common name is formic acid. IUPAC name is methanoic acid, as the alkane is methane, so the IUPAC name is methanoic acid. As it contains the 2 carbon atom, general name is acetic acid. IUPAC name is the ethanoic acid, means ethane is converted into the ethanoic acid. 3 carbon atom propanoic acid, 4 carbon atom butanoic acid. Now here the name is the, as the second position it contains the methyl group, so 2-methyl propanoic acid, and in case of trivial name system isobutyric acid. Now it is the double bonded compound, so the general name is acrylic acid, and IUPAC is propene 2-enoic acid, that means at the second carbon atom it contains the double bond. Now when there is presence of the 2 carboxylic acid attached to each other, that is COOH, COS, then general name is oxalic acid, and IUPAC name is ethane dioic acid. As we see that we have to use the word dioic acid, so it is, the name is the ethanoic acid. Now when COOH group is present, then name as the benzoic acid. There are some other examples also. When it contains the COOH CH3, that is common name is toluic acid. IUPAC is methyl benzoic acid, that means at the benzene ring COOH, that is acidic group is attached, so the name is benzoic acid, but at second position methyl group is attached, so 2-methyl benzoic acid. Now this is the general name salicylic acid. As we seen in salicylaldehyde, in aldehyde it contains the CHO group, but in case of salicylic acid it contains the COOH group, and the IUPAC name is, at second carbon atom it contains the OH, that is hydroxyl group, so 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Now next is the COOH COH, means 2 carboxylic acid is present simultaneously, so the general name is phthalic acid, and IUPAC name is benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid, and this is the COH, that is cyclohexocarboxylic acid, and cyclohexocarboxylic acid is the Now we have next study about the trivial names of ketone. That means as we studied in case of the aldehyde and carboxylic acid, how they are named as by using trivial name system or the IUPAC name system. Same it is used for the ketones. The trivial, that is common names of the ketone, are obtained by writing the names of alkyl groups which are directly attached to the carbonyl carbon, which is followed by the word ketone. For example, it is says that when it contains the 2-methyl group, then it is named as the methyl methyl, and then next we have to write the word ketone. The simple ketones. Now in the first video we have already studied that what is meant by the simple ketones. Simple ketones means the ketones in which the carbonyl group is directly attached to the 2 alkyl group, and both these alkyl groups are the same, similar, which is known as the simple ketone. And as both these two groups are same, they are named as the dialkyl ketone. For example, when this RR is replaced by CH3CHC, that is methyl methyl, so the name is dimethyl ketone. But in case of the mixed ketone means when it contains the different R and R, means they are not identical. Means for example, one is methyl, another is the ethyl. Then the names of the alkyl groups are written according to their alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means the group which is come first, then they are named as first, and then the letter which is come later, then they are named as later. For example, in case of the ethyl methyl, the first letter come is E, that is ethyl. So we have to write the first ethyl and then methyl. Now it can be studied with the help of some example. This example for the common name system of ketones are here. The first example, it is the example of the simple ketone, as all the ketones contains the same CO, that is carbonyl group, which is attached to the 2-methyl group, as it is the same simple ketone. So and both groups they are attached to the directly methyl group, so the name is dimethyl ketone, means 2-methyl group is present, dimethyl ketone. Now here also ketonic group is present, but it contains the different alkane, that means it is the example of the mixed ketone. The first is methyl group, second one is the ethyl group, but as the alphabetical order, ethyl, that is E come first and then M, so the name is ethyl methyl ketone. Now the next third, it is also example of the simple ketone which contains the same carbon atoms, and it is the ethyl group. This is also ethyl group, so the name is the diethyl ketone. Now next is it is one of the example of mixed ketone. This is the methyl group, this is the propyl group, as first letter is M then P, so the name is methyl and propyl ketone. Now next is there is presence of mixed ketone. This is the methyl group, this is the isopropyl group, so the name is methyl isopropyl ketone. Now in this there is the two same groups, so this isopropyl ketone. Now here we have to use the general name, that is mesetyl oxide. Now as we found there are some general rules for the IUPAC names of the aldehyde and carboxylic acid. There are some rules which are found in the IUPAC names of the ketones. Now these rules are: the aliphatic ketones are derived from the name of corresponding alkane by replacing the ending E of the alkane with 1, that is ketones are named as the alkane known. Means for example, when the ketone contains the 3 carbon atom, then the common name is, that is IUPAC name is, as it contains the 3 carbon, that is propane. So in case of ketone it is named as the propane to propanone. Now the second rule is: the longest chain of carbon atom which containing the ketonic carbonyl group is numbered from the end closer to the carbonyl carbon. Means the carbonyl carbon which is near, it is written as the first carbon atom. When the 2 carbonyl groups are present, the ending E of the alkane is retained and the suffix dione is added into the name of the parent ketone, as we studied in case of the aldehyde and carboxylic acid. When similar it is found in the ketone, when it contains the 2 ketonic group, then we have to write the suffix, that is dione. Di means 2, and in case of ketone we use the word ONE. In case of the many functional groups, that is polyfunctional ketones, the higher priority is given to the lower number, and when ketone has the lower priority group, then they are known as the oxo, which is preceded by the locant. Now it can be studied by the different example. As we already studied about the trivial name, that is common name system, we have directly goes to the IUPAC name, as it contains the 3 carbon atom. So the general name is propane, but as it contains the carbonyl group, that is CO group, it is ketone, so known as the propanone. 3 carbon propanone, 4 carbon butanone. Now here it is 1 2 3 4 5 carbon atom. At second carbon atom, it contains the carbonyl group, so pentane 2ONe, and here it is the at third carbon atom, so pentane 3ONe. Now here it contains the 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atom, means hexane, but here there is present at second carbon atom it contains the bromine group, and at third carbon atom it contains the carbonyl, so the name is 2-bromo. At second carbon atom bromine, so 2-bromo, hexane 3Ne. Now next is the as 4-methyl pentene 3En 2ONe, means it contains the carbonyl group, that is at second carbon atom, so 2ONe, and at third carbon atom it contains the double bond, and at fourth carbon atom it contains the methyl group. Then next is the here it contains the 2 carbonyl group. As we already studied that when it contains the 2 carbonyl group, we use the word dione, and it contains the 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atoms, so the name is hexane. Carbonyl group present at the second and fourth position, so 2,4 dione. Now here CH3CO CH2 we use the general name, that is 3-oxobutanol, fourth carbon, so butanol. Now here the carbonyl group is attached to the 2 benzene rings, so the name is benzophenone. Now there are some other examples also. When it contains the carbonyl group is directly attached to the CH3, that is methyl group, and phenyl group, then the general name is methylphenyl ketone, and IUPAC name is the acetophenone. Here it contains the ketonic, that is carbonyl group, attached to the directly chlorine, so the name is 2-chloro-4-methyl cyclohexanone. In this way, we have studied about the two systems for the nomenclature of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, that is it is the common name system and the IUPAC name system. I hope all of you will understand very well. Thank you.